Bottoms up. Hi, it's Charlie,
And Cheryl.
and this is
CC Reviews.
Today we have a special guest with us, Grayson.
Yay!
Hi.
It says, how's it?
How's it, Charlie Ritter?
So we don't know what country it is. We didn't peek.
We'll see ya.
Oh!
South Africa.
South Africa.
Dun, dun, dun,
Dun,
dun.
dun, dun, dun. Okay. Oh.
What's that?
Our one item was unavailable at the time of packing, but good news, they've included a replacement stack. Okay, that's nice. A surprise. Okay, here we go.
It's shiny.
Next.
Lay's potato chip. What flavor is it?
Caribbean onion and balsamic vinegar flavor. But look at how shiny it is.
Shiny.
Look at that. They put like a sticker over the bag. So it like sticks out.
Oh,
over
it's on
it.
this one too. I bet you because it needs to be in America, they need to have the food listed.
Okay.
Okay. Caribbean onion, did you say?
And balsamic vinegar.
Don't they taste good?
They do taste good.
I like these.
I figured you would because you love salt and vinegar ones.
I like these a lot. Do you like them, Grayson?
And they're shiny.
I would. Ooh, world's #1 snacks brand. Lay's
They are
potato
really
chips.
good. I have never seen this brand here, but I mean, it could come.
Well, not this brand, this flavor.
This flavor. That's
We
what I
have
meant.
Lay's potato chips in America.
Okay.
Yep.
So,
I want some more.
it actually looks like we were supposed to have Thai sweet chili, and this is their replacement, but I like this better than I think I would.
Yeah, I like these a lot.
Although Thai sweet chili. Okay, thumbs up.
Hair on my face. I like these a lot. 10 out of 10. For me.
Ready for this one?
What are these?
Flings, it says.
Flings original flavor maize snack. So that means corn in Spanish.
Corn puff snack. Packed with a savory flavor you won't be able to
Baked, not fried. Bags full of smiles.
Aw, bag full of smiles.
Ew,
Grayson, you got like the longest eyelashes of any boy I've ever seen.
He does. Kind of jealous.
Maybe Jared. Jared had really long ones when he was little too.
Why do all the men get blessed with long
I know,
eyelashes?
right?
Oh, buddy.
It's like a Cheeto Puff.
They look like a Cheeto Puff, but they're lighter color.
Smiles.
Oh, are they smiles? I think they're okay. They're not.
I like them how they're not as crunchy as normal Cheeto Puffs, but I don't. I mean,
think
they're
they are.
okay.
I don't
feel
think they
they're
have much
softer.
flavor.
Yeah, they're just like corn flavored. Not really. They kind of have like a white cheese on them a little.
Yeah.
Tastes like. I still like them.
I still like them too.
I would give it an 8 out of 10.
It's a smile.
They're okay.
Okay. What's your rating out of 10, Mom?
4. I mean, they're not bad. They're just. See, it's a cute smile and a cute boy.
There you go.
Okay, ready to move on to something different.
I
Oh,
ate
like
my
that one.
smile.
Okay, eat some more.
This looks Scottish. Not Scottish.
I know
but-
it does look Scottish, but look at how it's spelled. Eat some more.
Yeah, isn't that Scottish?
Show that. Yeah, I thought it was going to be a different language, so I was just sounding it out. Hey, these have been popular since 1940.
This is from South America?
I don't know.
It
they
looks
look
like, oh, they're
Scottish.
biscuits.
The biscuits.
Hey, can we eat them?
Yes.
We can.
Yeah. We're gonna eat some biscuits.
Ah! Okay.
Yum.
There you go.
Biscuits. What? Yum.
They look like they're just shortbread. They look like they need something with a little cup of tea.
Little tea and biscuits for you, my lady.
They're good. Just tastes like shortbread.
Mm-hmm.
The thing I like the most about it is the name. Eat
Like-
some more.
You said eat some more. And then I say, I'll gladly do so.
Okay. Welcome. Welcome. What's it called?
Tex.
Tex. Yeah.
T-E-X.
Tex.
It looks.
It's made from Nestle.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, it says it right there. The lighter side of life. Milk chocolate confection with aero center and filled biscuit wafers. Whenever I read off the things, I feel like, okay, well, we'll see what this is.
Sort of like a Kit Kat. Looks like crispy,
Yum.
but thicker. Is it?
Yum. It's good. Right?
Tastes like a Kit Kat.
Still eating my biscuit.
But it looks different. I think it tastes like a Kit Kat. You don't think so?
Just a little.
Actually, it tastes a little stale.
Yeah. I wonder if that's just what it tastes like, or.
What's it?
23/9/2020. How does that make sense? 23?
Well, it's saying that these snacks are expired, but they aren't.
They taste expired.
Mm-hmm. They have different international formats of how they do the years.
I don't like it. It tastes expired to me.
5 stars called.
5 stars.
This one's made from Cadbury.
Oh, yeah.
Creamy caramel and
What-
cookie bits in
is
this
Cadbury-
highly sought after candy.
A taste and texture like never before from Cadbury.
Mm.
Cadbury milk chocolate. Okay.
So there's a recipe here to make pudding.
Ooh.
Malva pudding.
Oh. Oh. Look at that. Oh. What the heck?
Oh.
Look at that gorgeousness, Mom.
Yum.
Mom.
Do you
I
taste?
didn't realize we were gonna put crumbs all over our couch.
Mm.
Just that.
Oh, Charlie, these are not expired.
Mhm. This is good.
Mm-hmm. They're different than your normal Cadburys. Mm.
Mhm.
They are different. They're good.
That's all good.
Hungry?
I'm just speechless about that one. That's delicious.
All the way to 10.
11.
12, 16, 17.
10, 11, 12.
Okay, this is our last one. Right.
So, sometimes we've had crates, you know, with that
Also, just not
candy stuff that I don't like. But this one has all chocolate, so
chocolate.
I'm okay with this.
Chocolate equals pog.
Wilson's eating some crumbs that are falling off the couch.
Kind of like a cross between a Snickers and a Baby Ruth, maybe. Here is bar 1. It's from Nestle's for a 25-hour day, it says.
Is it like a? Oh, it has peanuts in it. It's probably like a protein.
Malted nougat.
You can
nougat,
follow them on
peanuts.
Facebook. Bar 1. Go follow Bar 1 on Facebook, guys.
So strange that their biggest companies were Lay's, Nestle, Cadbury.
I mean, we're not that far from South America, so.
South Africa.
Oh, where's
Yes,
that?
we are. Oh my
Grayson,
goodness,
stop.
apparently we're going to go do some global studies. Okay.
Yeah.
I can go without sugar for weeks
I did
until she
not
brings
know we
out the
could
snack
eat on
crate.
this couch.
We're not really allowed to.
Oh. Or not.
Pants.
Shh. Don't tell anybody. There we go.
That's our snack crate for this month.
South Africa.
Like and subscribe. Hit the bell notifications to get notified every time we post a video. I'm becoming a pro YouTuber, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Grayson, for your contribution.
Yep. The bar one. Grayson, which one did you
What's
like
your
the most?
favorite, Grayson?
These chips?
The chips?
I think mine are either these or the 5-star.
But aren't these good?
Yeah, I really like these.
That one.
Oh, my alarm's going off.
Where are we going?
Skipping class. I don't have class today anyway.
You don't? Why?
No, it's a work day. But it didn't work.
Hey, fun fact. South Africa is home to the highest commercial bungee jump in the world at 710 feet.
I did not know that.
I did not either.
Me either. There are more than 2,000 shipwrecks off the South African coast, most dating back at least 500 years. South Africa in Cape Town had the first human heart transplant. Who knew in 1967? Who knew they were so progressive? So you have a little thing that you can listen to the upbeat, diverse sounds.
URL? No.
I don't know what you call
One
it.
of those things you scan. Oh, like put in what it's called.
I think there's a big, there's huge diversity in South Africa with giant cities and lots of money with some people. And then they have the big savannas with, here's a picture of Africa. I mean, elephants and giraffes and the savannah, and has quite the history of how it was taken from the Aborigines. Okay, what's the
Bye.
Where did we get them?